Assalamu Alaikum. Hello my dear students. So in the previous class we were discussed about a Bohr model of atom. So according to Bohr model, electrons are revolved around the nucleus in a particular path called orbit. So in the previous class we were discussed about the orbit. The orbit is otherwise called shell or the energy levels. There are according to the shell number we can classify the shells into K, L, M, N, etc. Okay, something like that. So in the first, this is the K shell and we get the number 1, and for L it is 2, for M the number is 3, for N the number is 4. So this is the shell number, and what are the shells? K, L, M, N. These are the shells. Okay. According to Bohr model, electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a particular path called orbit. The orbit is otherwise called a shell, or there is another name for shell. It is the energy level. Okay. So these are the main energy levels K, L, M, N, and the number is for K it is 1, for L it is 2, for M 3, and N it is 4. Okay. So in this class we are going to discuss about mass number, atomic number, and number of neutrons. Okay. So what is atomic number? Have you heard about atomic number? Do you know anything about atomic number? So atomic number is the total number of protons in an atom. We know that an atom consists of 3 particles, namely proton. Proton possess which charge? Proton possess positive charge. Okay. So an atom consists of 3 particles, proton, electron, and neutron. The proton possess positive charge and electron. Okay. The electron possess which charge? The electron possess negative charge. And there is neutron also. Neutron possess which charge? Neutron has no charge. Okay. Neutron has neutral. The name suggests neutron is neutral, so the charge is 0. Okay. So it is neutral. So atom consists of 3 particles, namely proton, electron, and neutron. The proton possesses positive charge and the electron possesses negative charge, and the neutron has no charge. So this is about the atom and its particles. Okay. So we know that in atom there is proton. So the number of protons in an atom is called its atomic number. Okay, what is atomic number? It is important at the exam point of view. So listen carefully. Atomic number. So we can represent the atomic number by the letter Z. Okay. We can represent the atomic number by the letter Z. Okay. What is atomic number? The total number of protons in an atom is called its atomic number. The total number of proton. What is atomic number? Atomic number is represented by the letter Z, and atomic number is the total number of protons in an atom. Okay. Total number of proton. What is the charge of proton? Positive charge. So atomic number is the total number of proton present in an atom is called its atomic number. Okay. Total number of proton. Total number of proton in an atom is called its atomic number, and it is represented by the letter Z. Okay. So the letter is used to represent the atomic letter. Which letter is used to represent the atomic number? Z. Z is used to represent the atomic number. Okay. Then we are going to learn about mass number. Okay. First one, we learn about the atomic number. Atomic number is the total number of protons in an atom, and it is represented by the letter Z. Then the second one is atomic number. Sorry, mass number. So what is mass number? Okay, what is mass number? Now we are going to discuss about the mass number. Mass number is the number of protons, and number of protons plus number of neutron is the mass number. Number of proton plus number of protons. So number of proton plus number of neutron. Number of proton plus number of neutron. Okay. What is mass number? Mass number is the total number of proton and number of neutron. When adding the total number of proton and total number of neutron, we get the mass number. This is the mass number. Okay. So, mass number, how we can calculate the mass number? Number of proton plus number of neutron, hence we can calculate the mass number. Okay. Then number of neutrons, how find the number of neutrons? Okay, how we can find the number of neutrons? So, number of neutrons calculated by mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number. So, we can calculate the number of neutron by mass number minus atomic number. So, what is mass number? Number of protons plus number of neutron. And atomic number, we learned that the number of protons in an atom is called atomic number, or otherwise we can say that atomic number is equal to what? Number of protons. Number of protons, and also it is equal to number of electrons. Okay. So, first of all we are learned about atomic number. Atomic number is the number of proton and it is also equal to number of electrons. Okay. So, then we are discussed about the mass number. Mass number is the number of proton plus number of neutron. So, when we have number of protons and number of neutron, we can calculate the mass number also. Then we are discussed about the number of neutrons. How we can find the number of neutrons? Number of neutrons we can find by the mass number minus atomic number. Okay, clear? So, in this class we were discussed about atomic number, then mass number and number of neutrons. So, atomic number is equal to number of neutrons and it is also equal to the number of electrons. Okay. Then how we can calculate the mass number? Mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Then how we can find the number of neutrons? Number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Okay. So, we can do some examples for the mass number, atomic number and number of neutrons. So, okay. So, in page number 18 you can see a table. We can do that table. Okay. Table 1.3. So, hydrogen. Okay. So, we write the mass number. We write the mass number on the top left side. Top left side നമ്മൾ എന്ത് എഴുതുന്നു? Mass number. Okay. The mass number of hydrogen is 1. So, we write the left bottom. Sorry, left top. Left top laite nammal endu ezhudum? Mass number ezhudum. Okay. We write the mass number on the top left side. Okay. This is the mass number. Okay. Can you see this? This is the mass number. We write the mass number on the top left side. Okay. Top left side. This is the mass number. Mass number we write on the top left side and atomic number we write on the bottom side. Okay. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and the mass number is also 1. So, we write the mass number on the top left side and atomic number on the bottom side. Mass number nammal evide ezhudunnathu? Where we write the mass number? We write the mass number on the left bottom, left top. Top light left side top light nammal endu ezhudunnu? We write the mass number and below എന്താണ് താഴെയായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് എഴുതും? And the bottom side we write the atomic number. Okay, നമ്മൾ അപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഇത് ഡയഗ്രാം കാണുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് മനസ്സിലാക്കുക? This is the atomic number. Okay, and this is the mass number. And another example is that helium. What is the atomic number of helium? 3. So, we write the atomic number here on the left bottom side. And what is the atomic mass number of helium? Sorry, helium atomic number is 2. Hydrogen, helium, second one is helium. So, the atomic number of helium is 2. And what is the mass number of helium? The mass number of helium is 4. Okay, mass number of helium is 4. So we write the atomic number here on the left bottom side and mass number on the left top side. This is about the atomic number and mass number. So in this class we were discussed about atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons and number of, it is also equal to the number of electrons. How we can calculate the mass number? We can calculate the mass number by number of proton plus number of neutrons. Then endana number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is equal to mass number plus atomic number. Okay, so hope you have understand all these things. We can see on the next class. Okay, thank you. Let's wind up the class. In the next class, we will discuss about how to find the electronic configuration of atom. Okay.